Hey guys, how are you? Austin here. I wanted to do a real quick kind of a coin market update for you and tell you some things that I'm seeing and kind of what I see is maybe some opportunities, things of that nature. So with all that said, this video is for entertainment purposes only. So what I got for you is I want to look real quickly here with you. The overall market is trending down, obviously about 4%. It feels like we've had some definitely some social sentiment kind of leave the building, some social confidence, some consumer confidence, if you will. All right, you got Bitcoin, which ran up and hit its all-time high, is now kind of pulled back from that. Obviously, Ethereum is doing a little bit better as far as holding its levels. These are the main two guys that I look at. I look at Bitcoin and Ethereum as far as the bellwethers and what do I see happening or not in the respective marketplace. Okay, so they're very important to look at. They're important to keep into consideration and kind of see what they're doing because they drive everything else. Period. All right, and so obviously Ethereum, I'm still a massive advocate. In fact, it is my largest holding that I have, and so I'm always obviously very interested in that price action. But long term, I believe in it fundamentally. Long term, I know that it's going to continue to rise and go up. And to me, Ethereum is really the infrastructure of pretty much the entire crypto market. I mean, there are other ones like Polkadot, Solana, and things like that, which I own and love as well. But with that said, on Ethereum, I do own some Bitcoin as well, and in my personal holdings, and have always enjoyed owning that, and it's something I think I do own some. So Solana, obviously, still doing really well. It's kind of crazy, isn't it, how Solana's moved up and is now the number 5 out of all. It's partly a testament too with Solana to the delay with Ethereum bringing out Ethereum 2.0. And that whole Ethereum 2.0, really what it is it's moving Ethereum away from a proof of work standpoint to a proof of stake. Said a different way, gas fees and all that, trying to minimize those and reduce those, because I know we've all felt the impact of gas fees. Yes, I know, I hear you, and I am aware of that. But with that said, with that delay, there has been an opportunities for other players like Solana, Phantom, Polkadot, Avalanche. There's others that have absolutely Cardano that have benefited from that, and so that's where I see some significant opportunities as we roll forward. Cardano looking good. Got to bounce back up off the $1.99 range. I think yesterday it hit almost like $2.20 plus or more cents. So that was cool to see. XRP continues just to kind of stay in this tight range, with the whole lawsuit and all that kind of stuff that still has yet to be settled and all of that. Polkadot, again, I've already mentioned that. Dogecoin has inched up to 26 cents. I love that. It's continuing to move up for those of you guys that own Doge. I want you to know I get it. SHIB is moving up. It's having a good 7-day run. It's up 15% in the last 7 days. Kind of moving on to some other ones. Terra Luna is looking okay there overall in the 7-day scenario. Avalanche looking good as well. Real quickly, let's see who the top 24-hour gainers are. So look, Mina and OMG. But what I want to point out is out of the top 100 tokens, the one that's up the most right now is Mina, okay, at 37+%. Okay, so that just gives you some perspective in the overall lack of confidence right here at this moment. And this is fine, guys. We need these kind of consolidation periods and things of that nature. Fourth quarter certainly has not turned out to be, I think, what some of us thought it would be from an overall kind of bull run scenario. We've had kind of sporadic, there's your word of the day, sporadic kind of stops and starts and kind of getting moving, and we just need overall social kind of social confidence, and really what I'm saying is retail confidence to come back in. Obviously, we there's institutional money coming in, here and there and things of that nature, and as crypto continues to evolve, we'll see how all that plays out. But for the most part, this is really a state of the union of where we're at right here, right now. So what I'm doing is I'm just literally buying and I'm just holding, and so to that point, like today, when you're in the red, you can look at, what are some good buys. So if you resort this, for example, if you resort 24-hour twice, you're going to get out of the top 100, what are the ones that are down the most. Okay, this is out of the top 100. Okay. So you can see IOTEX, ICP, Cosmos is down 10. Phantom, these are two of the ones that I love. So how I look at this, guys, is that these are on a discount. Okay, so they're on a 10% plus discount right now. Algo, these are 3 that I own, and I talk about a lot on my channel. kind of continuing down. But that also also want to point out, and I'll end on this note, that also brings up a really good point, is that right here, right now, out of the top 100, the one that is most down is only down about 13.5%. So pretty tight range. We don't have a lot of upside, meaning we don't have a lot of, in the top 100 tokens and coins that are just running up. We also don't have a lot of downside. Okay, so we're really just kind of in this stagnant kind of middle ground right now. The bears are not really running everything, and the bulls are not running everything. It's just kind of like, all right, everybody's kind of chilling. I mean, this could be kind of the beginning of leading up to Thanksgiving. People are kind of starting to take their focus off of investing and focus off of crypto, and maybe, I mean, there is that factor a little bit. I've ran online businesses for 20 plus years, and there is a true situation that happens, is that when around major holidays, people tend to start looking inward. They're looking inward at their family. They're looking inward at their friends, and spending time with them. And they're looking not at business, investing, things of that nature. This does happen. Okay. So that's my opinion, guys. Okay. So could be something that's kind of happening. It just feels like everybody's attitude to the overall market is just kind of like, right now, technical term, So, that's what I got for you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. And as always, I appreciate you. Take it easy. I'll see you later. Bye.